How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access your cheat codes in GTA 5 story mode. So basically, I mean, it's really easy. Basically what you're going to want to do is whenever you're in story mode with any of the three characters, you are going to want to go ahead and open your phone by clicking up on the D-pad like that. You're going to want to go to your contacts, and then you're going to want to hit X in order to open up the dial pad. And then from here, there are a couple a bunch of cheat codes online. I'll show that real quick for you. All right, so if you just Google GTA 5 cheat code phone numbers or something like that, it should pull up something like this, and you will just plug in those numbers. And I'm not sure that this is quite an exhaustive list, but I'm sure that there are more out there. But I will leave this here for you for a second, just so you can copy some of these down if you want to, or you can just Google them, like I said. All right, so once you have gotten the cheat codes down, you can go ahead, you can go ahead and plug those in. So I am going to do, for example, let's see here, super jump. So that would be 1999, 467, let's see here, 8648. And then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and click X again, and it'll say cheat processing. And so now you should be able to jump really high. And so that is just one example of a cheat code that you can enable in GTA Online. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I have earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.